So guys, this is what they've done so far for 5 days. So they start tiling Monday till Friday. So this is the laundry room. So they've done halfway, and then here's the living room. So yeah, this is almost done. Here, this is the kitchen, and then almost done at the living room. The good thing that they've done that we're happy is the cut the bricks, the bottom of the bricks, so that tiles can go inside and it looks nice. Yeah, they've cut the bricks at the bottom. You see, guys? So they cut the bricks from there, so the bottom, and then the tiles looks nice, like the flow. So we're really happy for that. And then here's the part of the big room. And then we did put that one, guys, because they cut the tiles too far. So they'll know that it's not good looking. So they can redo that. This is the office, almost done. And then, so this is the third bedroom, guys. And then the closet area. Wow, it's beautiful. So this would be beautiful when it's all done, like they put grout on it. So here, and the closet in there, and then this is the hallway, almost done. And here the closet from the hallway, and they didn't tiles here yet. And this is the master bedroom, guys. So the closet is not done yet. They prefer the tiles in here, so it's ready. So we're going home, guys. That's really cool looking. Hi everyone, good morning. So today, guys, our kitchen cabinet will be installed, and the tiling maybe will be done today because they start grouting last night. So they grout at the kitchen first because the kitchen cabinet will be installed today. We're waiting for Manuel to come. It says that he's gonna come at 8:30. So guys, see you later when they start installing the kitchen cabinet. Bye. So this is the cabinets looks like. So this is the lazy Susan. They're still installing the cabinets, and then we're going to install a frame there.
guys so much. No problem.
We're going home. So here's the rest of the cabinets. So guys, some of the cabinets are installed. So there's more cabinets to be installed. And then they're going to cut the countertop for the sink and then put it here. And then this one, guys, they're going to build the frame with this color so it will looks nice. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, they're not able to finish the kitchen cabinets yet. So what I'm going to do right now is to clean the walls because we're planning to move our things the next 2 days. So I'm going to touch up cleaning the walls because remember guys, I grind all the floors and then people come over to install the tiles and then yeah, there's a lot of dust in the walls. I'm going to show you that later. So that's I'm going to do today, and then after that I'm going to clean the windows, the glass window, the windows. So I'm going to clean the windows so we can install the blinds right back. So we're going to install the blinds that we remove before we paint. So yeah, I'm going to clean the window and then we're going to install the blinds. And then yeah. So yeah guys. And then tomorrow I'm going back here to mop the floor in the bedrooms so we can put our beds. So guys, I'm going to show you how much dust it's accumulate the walls. Okay, wait, turn the camera. So as you can see guys, look Dana. Yeah, so look that it's different from the first time we bought this house. So guys, this is dust guys, look. It's a dust, as you can see. And so I'm going to clean that. I'm going to clean all the walls, clean the mantle, basta mentel. And then clean that one as well, and the windows. So let's get started. So I'm going to start here in the laundry room. So see you later guys. Hi guys, I'm done for today. So I cleaned the walls from here, the laundry area, and I cleaned the doors, the 2 doors here and all over here. And then guys, the tile is done. Everything is done. So the edge, the imperfection will be perfect when we put the trim. So we still need to install trim of all the edges all over the house. And then this one, we're going to find a stud and then we're going to cut it and then put a new drywall because the washing machine and dryer would be here. So look at that guys, it's done, the tiling is done and the grout. So okay guys, so this is the kitchen here. I'm going to put it in the description down below what kind of tiles we used and what kind of grout we used. So yeah, it's all done. So we're going to put caulking in there and then trim all over. We're going to move our things here the next 2 days. So I did clean the house, and that is the sink. And tomorrow they're going to continue working in the kitchen. So they're going to put something in there, and we're going to add 2 outlets in here as well. Here. So if you can see the edge, it's have an imperfection, but once you put trim, it would be beautiful. So what do you think, guys, with the new flooring? So here's the master bedroom here. I didn't finish cleaning it here yet, but yeah. So this is the hallway, and here is the closet, and the closet, and this is the entryway. Remember, guys, the old task was here. It's nice. Okay, and another closet in here, and this is the furnace. I didn't clean it here yet, but we're going to replace this door, but not right away. And then we're going to buy lots of doors. I think it's 10 pesos of indoor doors. Yeah, but we're not going to buy it once because it's expensive. So we're planning to buy door for our room and the bathrooms, and then the entryway. So this is the second bedroom, guys. It's all done. And here as well. Okay. So I finished cleaning the walls from the entryway to the kitchen, living room, to the office laundry. I'm all done. And then I'll continue working tomorrow, and then I'm going to paint that for our floating desk. If you notice, there's a blow tape. It means that need to touch up. Okay, guys, that's it for today's video. So we're going home, but before that, we're going to stop at Home Depot. So my husband is waiting for me, so I'm going home. So let's go, guys. Let's go home. So excited with the new kitchen, guys. So yeah, I'll be loving it. It's my dream kitchen. It's my dream kitchen. Dream kitchen. Wait, I need to close the door. We're going, guys. My husband is waiting for me. Let's go. Remember, we closed the garage.
I'm waiting until I see it closed. And I know it's closed.
Hi, my love.
So
Say hi to my vlog.
Yeah, no.
Say no.
Bye.
No. Say hi, ba.
Bye,
Hi, guys. We're going home. We're going to Home Depot first. So, thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next one. Bye. I'm so energetic, no?
Go on.